Hi, welcome to Tanin Auto Electronics. Today we are showing you how to remove a gauge cluster from a 2012 to 18 Focus and also a 2013 to 19 Escape. This is the Escape. This bottom trim piece, you have to make sure the wheel is all the way down and forward, and this just pulls straight out. And then there's two little plastic pieces here, you just pull up on it and it comes right out. And then the whole gauge cluster is held in by two 7mm bolts that were right down here and here. When you take those out, the cluster has two clips in the back that holds the whole cluster in, so you just want to grab right here and pull straight forward, and the whole cluster will come right out. And there's only one connection in the back that has a button and a hoop. Let's pull the cluster out and I'll show you the button and the hoop. So you got this. And this is going to sit like that. You got to press the center button and pull the hoop over the top of the button, and it will pull right out. We have another video referring to the rebuild of the cluster and replacing the LCD screen. Thanks for watching.